All right, welcome back, guys. It's long awaited, you could say. And today we're going to be working on an easy question that just came out in the 323 Leetcode competition. So the question is detailed. You're given an m by n matrix grid consisting of positive integers. And then pretty much what we have to do is we have to iterate through each row. And for each iteration, we need to like keep track of the max. And then for the max of all of the rows, we take the max of that. So we keep track of every max for every row. Then we take the largest one of the maxes and we add it to like some global variable. So once we've added it to the global variable, we delete all of the other maximum elements that we kept track of, so that we should be removing one element from each row here. So the approach we're going to be taking is we're initially just going to define res, obviously. So we have our results here. Then we're going to go I in grid. We're just going to do I.sort. So what this is going to do is it's going to sort all of our rows. So once it's sorted all of our rows, we can easily link our columns together. So a really interesting way of linking columns together in Python is once you've sorted it, or once it's in the layout that you want, you can actually do something grid, and then we need to separate it. So we can say grid is equal to, then we're gonna zip together. So what zip does is it'll take like, let's say a list of 1, 2, 3, and we have another list of 2, 3, 4. What this will do is after the zip function, it'll create a new list of 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4. So you can kind of see how this works. So link the first from the first list with the first from the second, second from first, second from second, and just sort of iterate through like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to do star grid, so it separates each of the elements in the list. So we're going to have this grid value. Next we're going to do for, let's just call it x in grid, we're going to do res.append, res plus equals, and then max of that initial x. So this should return, if we print res, it should give us that value we want. So for this case here, I think it said that we would want an output of 8. All right, so let's run that and let's see what we get here. Okay, so it did give us some error here, but we did get the right output. So if we just return here instead of print, I believe, right, okay, so it does seem to be working. All right, so I think we can just submit this code here. Okay, check. Beats 100%, okay. That's a pretty good turnout. Beats 60% here isn't horrible, but this is absolutely insane. What does that mean, like, I'm first or something? Well, you heard it here first, guys. I'm #1 at solving question 2500 on Leetcode. Easy level. So put some respect on my name, of course. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you go down into the channel, subscribe, like the video if you did. If you didn't really like it, then whatever, still subscribe and still hit the like button, unless you're a Neek fan. Yeah, that's what I thought. So yeah, if you liked the video, make sure to watch my other ones. See you in the next one.